Hello everyone, today is Friday 31st of May 24 and I'm gonna analyze DAX. So let's dig into the economic calendar such as Forex, and we're coming to trading view as well. So we didn't have a major news in London session, but a couple of low impact news regarding Germany, which came like retail sales came lower than expected, and also that was 7 in the morning, and also import prices came a little bit higher. So both of them are negative, but they are low impact news. But the one that I'm waiting for is we already had this data, but the one that I'm waiting for is actually core PCE from US. We also had the core CPI news for Euro, and it came higher than expected, hence the market has shifted. So it's worth mentioning that the direction of the trend would probably be dictated by the New York session, which is a core PC, is a very important news, and that could decide if we're gonna go lower or we're gonna range, or maybe go higher. So we don't know. So we just basically, that's the core PC. We just spoke about the inflation data, which is on trading view. Okay. On the daily time frame, so we can see the higher lows, lower highs and also lower lows being formed, and yesterday we created another lower low. So that is already telling me we are in a downtrend on a daily time frame. So we can also see on the 4 hour, this was the key. So and yesterday we bounced off this zone, and we're retesting this major 4/1 day sort of like zone, so which is about 18,500 round that. So we broke this zone and then retested this zone. So I'm more keen for prices to go lower. So next step after this would be the major zone would be 18,000, nearly 300, and the next one after that would be 18,150, 160. So these are the zones that I have got in my mind as a longer time frame. On a daily, we can see on the daily time frame, so we broke this zone, and this is yesterday. This is on the 30 minutes time frame. Let's just make it bigger. And so we retested this zone, even though we briefly made a higher high here, but we retested, rejected it. And during the Asian range, let's just have a look at on the 10 minutes time frame. During the Asian range, we've been bouncing off from the Asian range low to high. So we got rejected twice now after this 10 o'clock news. This is the third 3 minutes, as you can probably see better. So we also couldn't make it higher. So that tells me we are more. I'm more leaning towards like the prices could go lower. These are the two scenarios that I do have. Three I do have in my head, but this is less probable because it seems like price is not going to go that way. But these two scenarios, I am more keen and waiting for some confirmation before entry. But the biggest one is if Asian range low is broken, I'm more looking forward to take this trade. And this is the ADR range, so average daily range, which is just above the zone that I am interested in. So from point, let's say A to B. So that's the trade ideas, and I hope you enjoyed it. And and today is the last day of May, and hope everyone is doing well. Thank you, and please like this video if you find it useful. And meanwhile, enjoy your weekend. Thank you.